Oh, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sorry, I was watching a live on my computer.
No problem.
I would prefer to stay anonymous as well, if that's possible.
That's fine. Your question, please.
Yes, alhamdulillah. First, I just want to thank both of you guys, mashallah. I used to be super Sufi, and you guys really brought me towards the deen and towards the path of the Salaf and the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And
Allah brought
wallahi,
you.
I
Allah
don't know
brought
where I
you.
would be without you guys. So,
Allah brought
barakallah
you.
feekum. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you.
Allah brought you because He loves you. We're only means. Allah brought you. Allah is the one who brought you back because He loves you. Subhanallah.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. And my question is just kind of related towards this. I just have a question regarding a book that I read, written by somebody. And they mentioned this one hadith. I was unable to find a quote for it. I just wanted to know what is the reasoning behind this hadith. There's a hadith that says that about the Prophet ﷺ, that whenever someone greets me, Allah restores my soul to me, and then I return his greeting. And they said that the hadith is Hasan, and my understanding was that the Prophet ﷺ, the angels tell him of the salam, and people, many ahlul bid'ah, like I used to use this hadith when arguing with some people who are on the haqq, when I used to celebrate these things. And so what is the correct belief in light of these? Because these hadith seemingly contradict each other. So what is the understanding of this?
The first thing, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you istiqamah, steadfastness upon the haqq, upon the Quran and the Sunnah and the way of the Salaf al-Ummah. Allah brought you to the truth. You should be very thankful to Allah, first thing. Secondly, there is no in the ahadith. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through malaika take that salam to the Nabi alayhi salatu salam, and the Nabi alayhi salatu salam is given that ability to respond to the salam. Nothing contradictory about that. Now, without getting into the differences of the version of the hadith and all of that, let me just make it very clear. The aqidah of Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah is Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, from what we find in the Quran and Sahih Ahadith, and from what Abu Bakr radiyan stood and told the Ummah, is that Rasulullah has left the world of this life. This worldly dunya, he has passed away from this life. He is in the barzakhi life. Okay? So now, this is to be clear. The Ahlul Bid'ah and the people of Shirk and stuff need to be clear that what we find in the Quran under Kullu Nafsin Dha'iqatul Maut are applicable to the Prophet ﷺ. Even Shuhada, even a Shaheed is alive in the barzakhi life. Otherwise, the wife of Shaheed could not get married to somebody else if he's alive in the worldly life. Okay? So that's the first thing to be clear. Secondly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives the Anbiya certain things. Like for example, some of them, they're making salah in their qubur because this is something they love. But that doesn't mean they're alive in the dunya sense. That's just a blessing for them. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the salat is sent, that salat is delivered to him and he's informed of it in his barzakhi life. There's no issue with that.
Jazakallahu khairan.